Now let's see this theorem, Cauchy's mean value theorem. So let f of x and g of x be defined in the interval a comma b, closed interval, such that f of x and g of x are continuous in a comma b and f of x and g of x are differentiable in a comma b, right? So these two conditions are exactly same as if it is Lagrange's theorem, right? So in the Lagrange's mean value theorem, what we have seen is for one function they have given the same thing, which means if f of x is defined in a comma b such that f of x is continuous and f of x is differentiable, then what they have given is, if these two conditions are satisfied, then what they have given is f dash, there exists a point c in such a way that f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. This is what they have given, right? Now here it is a combination of two functions. Therefore, for the second function also, g of x, there should exist one more point, there should exist a point in such a way that g dash of c is going to be g of b minus g of a divided by b minus a, right? Okay, now they are saying that from these two equations you can write this, isn't it? So if you see that this is equation 1 and if you see that this is equation 2, from equation 1 and 2 you should be able to write this, right? So equation 1 divided by equation 2 equal to this. But only thing you should be careful here is, since g dash of c is given in the denominator, right? So you should see that g dash of x is not equal to 0 for any value there. That is why, just to rule out that condition, they have given this. Okay, so it is same as Lagrange's theorem, but where Lagrange's theorem is defined for one function, here it is defined for two functions. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is, we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.